Para, friends, I thank you for the opportunity that you have given me to participate in this labor conference. At the outset, I would like to assure you that as Minister in charge of labor, I am interested in the welfare of labor. At the same time, I must promote the welfare of all the people of this country. It is from this point of view that I would like you to look at problems which are facing you. Para, I am aware that in the interest of the progress of the country, we should take care of the workers and the laborers. It is necessary that the should be given all encouragement to increase production. Only if we increase the wealth of the country, we will be able to stand before the world as a developing country. In this connection, it is only fair that it should be remembered by labor that they should not fight for their own rights always, but on the other hand, they should see that they do not do anything which will affect production. When production increases and the profits of the employer increase, there is no doubt that the employers will do their best to promote the welfare of labor. Para, I am well aware that labor has its own problems. The workers have not only to earn their food but also have to take care of their families. So, it is only true that their responsibilities increase. They have to educate their children and to look after the health of the members of their families. For this purpose, they will require many facilities to be given to them. I am sure that the employers will take note of this and will do what they can in this regard. Then only both the employers and labor will have mutual cooperation, which will do only not only to themselves but to the whole country. I am proud and confident that as citizens of this country, they will bear in mind this important point.